Hey guys, hey, welcome to this week's drop. I'm going to make this one real quick. I have got PG&E, our local utility, wanting again to shut our power off here in the Bay Area, and I've got to rush this out. And of course, the market's got some great action, so I at least want to get the word to you. Um, also again, it's Monday I'll be leaving for Vegas Blockchain Week, so if you're there, do pay me a visit. I'll be on a panel. I don't have all the details actually right this minute, but I'll be on a panel with a few other traders talking about this market. So let's dive into action real quick and take a look. Now, so if you know, you recall the last few videos and all of my work, I've been looking for a low in the 7,400 to 68 region. In fact, it has been my view, as you know from last week, that the pattern was very incomplete. Avi and I wrote about that on seekingalpha.com this week. But we had said in that article that over 9,000, which is key resistance, whether we have a completed pattern or not, we would view this as a potential bottom with a truncated bottom. And that's what I think we have here. At least it's worth trading it as a bottom until it comes off its wheels, so to speak. So I would treat it that way right now in your own trading. I'm looking here at it's a very kind of lopsided five-wave move, and its potential that I'm really only looking at the top of a third here, and we need a fourth and a fifth, although we're already challenging that idea in the drop. I've got a little gap in my chart, just be aware of that from problems with my feed over the weekend. But right now we're sitting right in the 9,000 region, and that's a little low to be a fourth off of this strong move, so I'm counting it at least preferably as one. And also on top of that, we came into the 236 extension, which is off of the whole entire 2019 rally, and then the fib, the measure of that, and then 3-point fib tool on the bottom and trough in 2019, and then the third point here at the bottom. So that's actually a very nice place to hit for the first wave up, which is part of a larger wave one of three. Let me get my charts refreshed and I'll show that to you. So that's a nice hit, which sets up a run to the 618 extension, which is an 18,300. Ideal, that proves to be only the first wave of our third wave into five figures. Well into five figures, 80,000 roughly. So we'll see. And if you recall, if you've been watching these for a while, you know I have the potential that I see this as a fourth wave correction with a fifth. I don't prefer it, but I'm going to keep it there just for risk and risk standpoint, manage it. And that is suggesting a run only to 24,000 before a major top. Again, not my preference, even with the hit that we have today or in the last 24 hours, but something to keep in mind. Look at technicals. You can see that RSI has really busted through on the 6 hour. We're waiting for this to happen on the daily, but we've got a really nice divergent bottom all across the board, RSI, ACT, and stochastic. So pretty good chance. We also have a trend line break on the MACD, so pretty good chance that this is going to make a run. Now I want to be really, really clear. If this fails, which right now I have at 7,900 support, it can breach it by a little bit, but ideally holds really close and gets a reverse in that region. And certainly if we break the low from where we came, we have an invalidation of the setup. Anyway, if we do top and we do fail, this is a major B-wave top, and we're going to challenge very deep into my final support level for the 2019 rally in the 4,300 region. That's the way this projects if this tops here. I don't think it will, but you know, again, I'm going to list all the scenarios I can see as potential and then trade the tightest potential we have here, which is this potential five-wave rally. So again, 7,900 is where I'm adding my trades. I used the term Moss Bigley on Twitter, and a lot of people responded to that, and that's basically what I'm doing into the 7,900 region. So yes, this is the trade that I'm looking for. All right, guys, that's about it. Do we have a bottom? Well, to me, we have a tradable structure. That's the main thing. Managing stops at 7,900, and as long as that holds, I will trade this until it comes off the wheels. All right, guys, we'll talk to you soon, and wish me luck through the power shutoffs and into Vegas Blockchain Week.